What makes a successful digital marketing campaign? Now, I get asked a lot of times that, hey, we're about to set up a digital marketing campaign, but what are the things that we really need to look at in order to ensure that the campaign is set up for success right from day one? So what I've created is a system called the Digital Marketing Success Triad. And what I've done is I've also detailed it in my book. And by the way, you can get this book shipped right to your door. And all you need to do is to cover the postage and packaging. There'll be a link somewhere below this video. It's called How to Win Customers with Google Ads. And there are three main aspects to creating a successful digital marketing campaign. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk you through a quick overview of this. Now, the question is, why do we need to understand what are the core elements of creating a successful digital marketing campaign? Now, I've been doing digital marketing for the best part of 20 years now, and what I've seen time and time again is customers usually go to their marketing agency and say, hey, you've created this Google Ads campaign for me or this SEO campaign for me, and it does not work, so you need to fix it. Now, in most cases, it's not because just the Google Ads campaign or the SEO campaign, whatever campaign, is not working. It's normally a combination of errors or areas which need to be addressed in order to ensure the overall digital marketing campaign is a success. So let me talk you through the three core elements that are required in order to make sure that your campaigns are designed for success right from day one. And before I do carry on, do hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, so when I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified. And by doing so, you're also helping other people get this message. If you've got any comments about what you think that should be working, what needs to be implemented in order to make a successful digital marketing campaign, put in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. So the first thing that you need to make sure that is carried out well when implementing a Google Ads campaign or any digital marketing campaign is your website. Now, again, this is where a lot of people underestimate. They carry on analyzing their Google Ads campaigns. We've got the search keywords correct. Yeah, our keywords are correct, our search terms are correct, our ads are correct, our bidding strategies are correct. Everything's right. So why is our campaign not converting? And a lot of time it's because your website is not designed for success. It's not designed to convert. Now, there could be a multitude of reasons for this. It could be that the website's slow. And if your website's slow, people are just going to move away from it. People are using mobiles nowadays to access websites. And sometimes mobile speeds aren't very good. So if your website's slow, people are just going to go away. If your website's not clear, so you don't have great navigation, you don't have great call to actions, and so on, then again your website is not designed to convert those visitors into leads or inquiries. Okay, so you need to ensure that you looked at your landing pages and you made sure that you've gone for gold in terms of the website is usable and it's fast to load and it's structured well, and people can navigate through your website and they can go to your checkout page really quickly and it's not confusing. So basically, from a website perspective, make sure you've really done everything possible to make sure that when you got the visitors onto your website, they haven't got any obstacles in their way. The second most important part of making sure that your digital marketing campaign is set up for success is your content. And what I mean by that is, it's great to have a brilliant website, but is your messaging correct? Are your headlines correct? Are you explaining the product or service properly in a very clear, concise way? And not only that, but depending on what keywords people have used, Does your content relate to what they may be searching for, what problems they're hoping to resolve, or the information that they want? What's your pricing like compared to your competitors? Okay, what's your return policies like, your refund policies? What have you done to ensure you've developed trust within your landing page so that people say, hey, I've read this and this is exactly what I want? Okay, now the third element of ensuring your digital marketing campaign is set up for success is your traffic. Okay, so what I mean by that is you've got to make sure that your traffic, you haven't just got a quantity of traffic, but it's the right traffic. People are searching for your products using research, using buying intent keywords. In other words, that, hey, for example, if I'm looking for a conservatory and I type in conservatory companies near me, that's got high buying intent, because the only people that will type that in is if they're looking to build a conservatory. Okay, but if I just type in conservatories, it's a little bit ambiguous. So make sure you got the right volume of keyword, and the quality of the keywords is exactly what your audiences are looking for, because then you're making sure you're getting the right people ending up on your website. Now, here's the key thing, right? These all work hand in hand. Now, what I mean by that is if you've got a great website and you've got great content, but you've got the wrong traffic, the whole lot is going to fail. Okay? Or you could have great content, you could have the right traffic, but your website's not usable. Again, the whole lot is going to fail. Or it could be that you've got brilliant traffic, you've got high intent keywords, right? You've got a great website, but you haven't described your products well enough, or your pricing is wrong. And if that's the case, your whole digital marketing campaign is going to fail. So these are the three core elements, right, called the digital marketing success triad, which I have described within my book, How to Win Customers with Google Ads. And this is ultimately that you need to be looking at if you feel that your digital marketing campaign is not working. So don't just blame it on the traffic, right, or whoever's doing your Google Ads, or just your website or your content. All three need to be working hand in hand in order to ensure the success of the overall digital marketing campaign. And what I always say to my customers is, work in partnership with them. Collaborate with your suppliers, with your agencies, with your website designer, with your copywriters. Work as a team, because if you're working as a team, then you're getting rid of the blame-oriented type of culture, and you're working like, okay, we've got a lack of conversions. Let's take a look at all three of these to see where the problem might be. Let's take a look at our traffic. How can we improve it? Let's take a look at our website. How can we improve it? Let's take a look at our content. How can we improve it? Now you're working as a team to ensure the overall success of your digital marketing campaign. So I hope you found that useful. I'd love to hear your thoughts about what your thoughts are about the digital marketing success triad. Put it in the comments below. And if you've got any other thoughts or questions, please put them in the comments below. If you want me to create new videos, tell me what you want me to create the videos on, and I will create them for you. Guys, I hope to see you on the other show. Goodbye for now.